Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Guide Gear Easy Carry Director Camping Chair, the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. This portable chair boasts a robust steel frame that supports up to 300 pounds, ensuring durability and comfort for both men and women. With an 18-inch seat height and steady arms, getting in and out is a breeze, while the breathable mesh back keeps you cool during those hot summer days. The chair also includes a handy folding side table with an electronic cup holder, adding a touch of convenience to your relaxation time. Weighing in at just 14 pounds, this lightweight chair is easy to transport, thanks to its ultra-compact fold-down design and deluxe zipper carry bag. When folded, it measures a mere 20 inches high by 5 inches deep by 19.5 inches wide, making it perfect for camping trips, soccer games, or picnics in the park. So, whether you're setting up camp or enjoying a concert, the Guide Gear Easy Carry Director Camping Chair has got you covered for comfort and style. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.